Hello! It's second day here in Banjaran and we are walking to go to the restaurant for the breakfast. It's just 100 meters away from our villa, and to those who don't feel like walking can always call a buggy service. Welcome to the Banjaran Hot Spring Retreat. Stay tuned and please keep on watching because I want to show what's the beauty hidden inside the resort. Thank you so much. Namaste. Good morning. Coffee's life. Today I have to make first our hot drink and later on we will go to the restaurant where the breakfast is being served. So yeah, here's the tea box and there are a few flavors of tea and also a coffee as well. So hubby chose to have coffee while myself I like chamomile tea. So let's mix it. Anyway, last night before I supposed to sleep, I was distracted by ants entered on my ear. Actually, I was very worried then because I can hear the sounds of the ants. I don't know. I'm not sure if that's really ants or I think it's a mosquito because there is the flying sounds of a mosquito. So what I did, I took one cotton band and put oil. Luckily, if I'm traveling, I always bring oil, a coconut oil for my hair. Because sometimes when we travel, we feel like our hair is so dry and like something different, you know. So I always have that coconut oil. Then after that, I tried it and I feel better. I don't know if the insects is still on my ear or what. Because this morning I get up, I feel okay only. Anyway, this is just a small matter. And before we check in, the receptionist or the lady who entertained us mentioned that cannot avoid some insects or the friendly monkeys around because this is their nature. I mean, this is their place or their habitat. That's why in each room they put mosquito repellent and other protection for this. So yeah, that's it. I solved myself and no big issues, no worries at all. So we already here at the Pomelo restaurant and we had already our table. This is their special menu for today. Aside from this, they have other food items to offer. These different types of fruits and vegetables are for use. Just take a basket, choose what you want, and give to our friendly juicer lady, and she'll serve it. These are extra side dishes. If you prefer to have more bread, they got jam and butter to offer with different flavors. And here different types of biscuits nuts, macadamia, and of course, cereals in nuts is always available. We also have here preservative foods. This is milk, choco milk, soya milk, and of course yogurt. For the coffee, it is self-service. By the way, this breakfast is complimentary for every booking. Here's the coffee section. Shout out to our friends and subscribers. Thank you for watching us. We really appreciate your presence and every videos we are uploading. Thank you friends. So here's the main course. This one have to order according to their menu, and I took power breakfast. Yeah, here's my plate. So yeah, let's eat.